salut, bonjour, bonsoir. Today I will show you my recipe for Accra. First, I will wash and peel my yuca. Then we'll use a cheese grater to get the perfect paste. I'm using this bowl, but a blender or a food processor can be used as well. Let me check it to make sure it's right. Look, it's too big, but if necessary, I'll try to blend it if it's too big, to make sure I have the perfect paste for my Accra. Now I'm adding onion to my yuca. Then I'll also add green bell pepper, red bell pepper to my grated yuca. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support me. And if you already did, share. It's another way of supporting as well. Thank you. Now I am adding a little bit more pepper, parsley, onion, and about 1 tablespoon of lime juice. I'm adding black pepper now. Alright, I am adding just a little bit, Nike, not a lot, just a little bit, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and my Haitian seasoning, of course, about 2 tablespoons. Then I will mix it all together. And believe it or not, it already smells good. And look at that, it looks really nice, very nice. I'm making sure it's all mixed. Look, it looks really nice with all this color. I love red bell pepper. And after that, we go into the stove. That's just me being extra, adding a little bit more seasoning. Good. I had used the wrong size. The smallest size is usually what I use, but I didn't have it on the bowl. So now I'm using the blender to make sure I get the right consistency. It's a lot more work, but I already have people waiting on it. I have to make sure I get it right. No matter what it takes, I have to get it right. See, now it's perfect. Just a little. It's just time to fry it now. I had tested my oil before just to make sure it's hot enough with the first Accra I made that somebody already ate. Yes, I had to make sure that my oil is really hot. Other than that, my aka can easily fall apart. So yeah, I had to test it first. I let my aka fry until I get that brown color. That's how I like it, to make sure that it's crunchy in the outside but soft in the inside. And please, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until then, see you on my next video. Bye.